Dave Flatman. Carl. Ben. Richo. Dave Flatman. Nika. Simon Claver. Brendan Roberts. Ben. Harley C. Dave Flatman.
Marshall.
5 seconds. First, Simon Claver. Second, Dave Flatman. Third, Richo. Fourth, Harley C. Fifth, Ben. Sixth, Brendan Roberts. Seventh, Stephen Sestrilli. Eighth, Nika. Ninth, Carl. First, Simon Claver. Second, Richo. Third, Dave Flatman. Fourth, Brendan Roberts. Fifth, Ben. Sixth, Harley C. Seventh, Nika. Eighth, Stephen Sestrilli. Ninth, Carl. First, Simon Claver. Second, Richo. Third, Dave Flatman. Fourth, Brendan Roberts. Fifth Ben. 2 minutes elapsed. Current top 6 are Simon Claver, followed by Richo, followed by Dave Flatman, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Ben, followed by Harley C. 6th Harley C. 7th Stephen Sestrilli. 1st Simon Claver. 8th Carl. 2nd Ben. 9th Nika. 3rd Brendan Roberts. 4th Dave Flatman. 5th Richo. 6th Harley C. 7th Stephen Sestrilli. 1st Simon Claver. 2nd Ben. 3rd Dave Flatman. 4th Brendan Roberts. 5th Richo. 8th Carl. 9th Nika. 6th Harley C. 7th Stephen Sestrilli. 1st Simon Claver. Second Brendan Roberts. 3rd Ben. 4th Richo. 8th Carl. 4 minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Simon Claver, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Ben, followed by Richo, followed by Dave Flatman, followed by Harley C. 5th Dave Flatman. 6th Harley C. 7th Stephen Sestrilli. 1st Simon Claver. 9th Nika. 2nd Brendan Roberts. 3rd Ben. 4th Richo. 5th Dave Flatman. 1st Simon Claver. 6th Stephen Sestrilli. 7th Harley C. 8th Carl. 3 minutes remaining. Current top 3 are Simon Claver, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Ben. 2nd Brendan Roberts. 3rd Ben. 4th Dave Flatman. 1st Simon Claver. 5th Stephen Sestrilli. Harley C. 2nd Brendan Roberts. 9th Nika. 3rd Ben. 8th Carl. 4th Dave Flatman. 1st Simon Claver. 5th Stephen Sestrilli. 2 minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Simon Claver, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Ben, followed by Dave Flatman, followed by Stephen Sestrilli, followed by Harley C. 6th Harley C. 2nd Brendan Roberts. 3rd Dave Flatman. 9th Nika. 4th Ben. 5th Stephen Sestrilli. 1st Simon Claver. One more minute remaining. Second, Brendan Roberts. Third, Dave Flatman. Fourth, Stephen Sestrilli. Fifth, Ben. First, Simon Claver. Seventh, Nika. Sixth, Harley C. Second, Stephen Sestrilli. Third, Brendan Roberts. Fourth, Dave Flatman. First, Simon Claver. Fifth, Ben. Driver finished. Seventh, Nika Dunn. Sixth, Harley C. Dunn. Second, Stephen Sestrilli Dunn. Third, Brendan Roberts Dunn. Fourth, Dave Flatman Dunn. First, Simon Claver Dunn. Fifth, Ben Dunn. Eighth, Richo Dunn. Ninth, Carl Dunn. Race complete.